She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So for today's recipe, it's going to be quick and definitely easy. We're going to go ahead and whip up some cupcakes, but we're going to call these Snowflake cupcakes. So these Snowflake cupcakes are going to be super easy to make, guys, and just as tasty. We're going to use pretty much all store-bought items with a little twist on some toppings, and I think you're going to enjoy. So if you are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so here are my snowflake cupcakes. Again, this recipe was extremely easy to make because we used the cake box hack and also we used store-bought frosting. But we went ahead and added a personal touch with the white chocolate snowflakes that we put on top. And then I went ahead and topped it with a little glitter just to add more of a snow effect on the cupcakes. So hopefully you guys did enjoy these tasty treats. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Don't forget to share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.